In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. This process is essential for streamlining your lead management and ensuring that all your potential customers from Facebook are seamlessly integrated into your Zoho CRM system. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you need to access your Zoho CRM account. Start by heading over to the Zoho CRM homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Applications icon. This icon is your gateway to a host of Zoho's integrated services. Give the Applications icon a click and a menu will appear. From this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Social. This section is where you'll manage your social media integrations, including connecting to Facebook for lead generation. Now that you've located the Social section, click on it. This action will direct you to Zoho Social, which is Zoho's tool for managing social media activities. On this page, look for the option that says Explore Zoho Social. Clicking this will take you deeper into the features Zoho Social offers. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Access Zoho Social. Click on this button to enter the main Zoho Social interface. This is where the magic happens. Within Zoho Social, you'll find tools to monitor your social media presence, engage with your audience, and, crucially, connect your Facebook account. Next, you'll want to connect your Facebook account to start capturing leads directly from your social media interactions. Look for the option that says Connect Facebook. Clicking this will begin the process of linking your Facebook account to Zoho Social. You may be prompted to log into your Facebook account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you authorize Zoho to access your Facebook page or account, as this permission is necessary for Zoho to pull in your leads. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. This integration ensures that every potential customer who interacts with your Facebook page can be captured and nurtured within your CRM, allowing for more efficient follow-ups and better lead management. Remember, maintaining a smooth flow of information between your social media and CRM can make a significant difference in how you manage and convert leads. So take full advantage of this integration and watch as it simplifies your workflow and enhances your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you set up with Facebook leads in Zoho CRM.